QuickBooks tracks the amount of money you owe your vendors with an account named Accounts Payable. You can look at your accounts payable balance by going to your chart of accounts or your balance sheet and then looking at the accounts payable balance right here. You can also see a breakdown of that accounts payable balance by vendor by clicking Expenses, Vendors, and then scrolling down. Here we can see all of the vendors that we owe money to and our accounts payable balances with them. Finally, you can run reports that tell you not only how much money you owe each of your vendors, but whether or not you're overdue on any of those open bills. To run those reports, go to Reports and then scroll down to the What You Owe section. From here, you can open the Accounts Payable Aging Summary and Accounts Payable Aging Detail reports. Between the two of these reports, the Accounts Payable Aging Summary report is the one that most people run. From here, you can see each one of the vendors that you owe money to, as well as the balance on all of the bills that you are current on, and then the balance of all the bills that you are late between 1 to 30 days on, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and also 91 days and over. This report gives you a total by aging period and also by vendor. Finally, you can zoom in and see what transactions make up these totals by clicking on any one of the numbers, and here QuickBooks will show you the specific bill that you owe money on. The Accounts Payable Aging Detail report gives you similar information, but it can sometimes be more difficult to read because there's more data on it, and it's organized in a different way. This report organizes all of your bills by aging period. So here you can see all of your bills that are 61 to 90 days overdue and 1 to 30 days overdue, as well as all of your current bills, and then the totals for each one of these aging periods. Use all of these methods to track how much money you owe and who you owe that money to.